What do Nigeria love?
Free things.
Nigeria love what? Free things. 1,000 naira in Tinubu era. Okay.
Tinubu.
I'll enter down for and do fight with conductor for 15 naira change.
God, I beg. I don't understand though.
You understand?
Do you guys understand what Malik is saying?
Because if I should off, you just want to get
shady.
You want to get the OCP. I don't know.
You're so shady.
Why don't you just open a bank and know? That is your type that will see me and tell me, short man. Let's go straight.
Hi everyone, my name is OC. Welcome to another episode of SoftGEM's podcast. So I have with me here
Malik, a software engineer.
Okay, so Malik, how are you doing?
I'm not doing fine.
Why? What's going on?
Even if I tell you, you can't solve it.
I can't solve it?
Yes.
Why?
I'm on AC finish.
Okay, how's work? Is work fine? Work is going fine, right?
Work can never be fine.
Nobody's stressing it too much.
Work can never be fine.
Why?
Have you ever seen where work is fine? No.
Well, I get you're a software developer, so it can be very stressful.
Exactly, my dear.
Baby.
So,
for our business today, we're going to talk about Finlake. And before we dive into Finlake, so I'll ask you a few questions. Can you tell us what inspired the creation of the platform and the problem it was built to solve?
That's a secret. Okay, they said being a software engineer is one. Then ability to solve real world problem is another thing. So looking at it from the angle of Finlake, we notice what's it called, in the financial world, you get when most of these people decide, I want to go into finance business, banking and all. So they spend a lot of time in saying, okay, I want to come up with a system that can actually do finance. Either they have to pay high for what they might not even use half of it, or they have to sort out engineers. Then you getting engineers, it boils down to more time. That's in writing code, doing QA and all. So that's where Finlake came in. The idea was okay, if we can do an infrastructure where people just have to come and in a day they can fully onboard and start their banking activities. So that was where Finlake kicked off from. So Ashiriki Kevin, that's a small secret I'm telling you.
So how would you explain Finlake to someone that has no technical background?
No technical background. Okay. At first, I don't believe anyone does not have technical background. But if I'm to do that, I will tell the person, imagine you have a magician, where you tell the magician, okay, I have the money, I have what it takes, and I want to run a bank, or I want to run a finance institution. But with just a magic word, I want to have my core banking infrastructure, I want to have my mobile apps of what my customer will use to actually deal with me. So that's it. The magic word is just Finlake. Then Finlake comes in and you're like, okay, you just come there and Finlake is telling you, okay, sign up. You sign up. You come there, they tell you, you want to do KYC? This is KYC. Take, bye. You want mobile app? They tell you, okay, in 2 days, don't worry. Take, just submit it. So you can see. So we are just telling you, come, move down the stress. So no technical jargon there. You understand?
Finlake actually describes itself as a modular banking platform. What does modular mean?
Modular.
Yeah.
Modular. Oh, okay. So modular, yeah. Finlake is modular. So when they say modular is another developer jargon. So the thing is in Finlake, some other system would have built it let me say as one, as a single module. But rather what Finlake did was more, I don't want to use a lot of technical term. So what Finlake did was they divided it into units, which still translates to modular. You get. So now when it comes to banking, the core activities of banking per se, we have access, identity and access, which is who can log in, who can do this and who can do that. So that's one of the units on Finlake, in which on Finlake they call it the account, Finlake account. Then the other one goes to know your customer and compliance, definitely. So Finlake calls that Finlake KYC. Then the other one, which is the core of operations, where you have every transactions, where you check your financial report and how you set rules on your accounts, you open your customer account and all, you perform your finance activity. That's what we call the core banking application, Finlake CBA. Then to proceed forward, we are not leaving the business part. That's the corporate banking. So we have Finlake CIB as well, which
What does CIB stand for?
CIB is actually corporate internet banking.
Okay.
So apart from that again, we have mobility. So mobility is a sweet feature, very very sweet. You know, it's just more of like I'm telling you, oh,
Nerd.
you are using Finlake,
You're such a nerd.
right?
Okay.
Me?
Yeah.
Yeah. I guess I forgot my glasses. So now, you know, Finlake mobility can, with Finlake, I can just tell you, oh, you want to build an app? I look, okay, I can give you your app in 2 days. You'll be like, because what we've done is we've already built it in a way when you come, we are seeing you like a flavor. So when you come, you're like, oh, another flavor. Then we give you your package with your own flavor. Flavor, I mean your color, your logo, your preference. You can even say, okay, please, I want you to extend this. It's possible. So, but we've packaged it in a way. I'll say we call it agility. Agility is one of the features on Finlake, which is like what gives you the ability to actually go to the market as fast as possible.
Okay.
You get?
Yeah.
So that's agility. There might be other things I'm actually missing out. Is deliberate, because I want you to go and find out yourself.
Yeah.
You get?
Finlake.tech.
Yeah.
Okay, so one feature that stands out is the Finlake Marketplace. How does it work, and why is it important for financial institutions?
Oh, marketplace. Yeah. But before I go to marketplace, yeah, I just remembered something. I was in the bank this week and I get irritated. I don't want to mention
the bank.
Well, I don't want to mention the bank. But okay. I know if one of them is seeing me, they know their name. And it's mostly traditional bank. Please, you guys can do better. I would go to this bank. I've gone to that bank 3 times. Every time I go there, I see huge crowd. And what are they there for? Account upgrade. I want to submit BVN, NIN, utility bill. I will leave my house, enter Uber, 3,000 naira in Tinubu era. Okay. Then, if I'm not entering Uber, I will enter Danfo and do OWA, fight with conductor for 15 naira change.
God, I beg.
In the name of what? Utility bill, BVN, traditional bank, please come to us. We know how to do it better. So I met with the man. I said, please, if you know it is the cost, put the cost on my account. I can be spending 200 naira for account upgrade rather than spending 500 naira on Igwe from Hoa. So back to marketplace. In as much as Finlake is dealing with what's it called, the finance part, we're also looking at other people that can benefit. So who are the other people that can benefit? Those are software engineers. Either you run as solo or you run with a company. So meaning company as a software and individual as a software engineer.
Okay.
Then the other party is now the bank themselves, people who want to come to Finlake. So what we've done on marketplace is we are saying those things that stress you as a bank. Example, payment portal, let's say switches like NIPS, all the stuff you want to do KYC integration and all. So we've already packaged everything on marketplace for you. The only thing you do is you go there. In as much as you have the credentials with you, you are not going to call any developer and say, please, and do you know how to integrate NIPS? You just come there with your credential, you subscribe.
So it's basically like plug and play.
Exactly.
Okay.
It's not even plug and play. Socket and plug. You understand? Very, very fast. You don't need to stress yourself. So yeah. So marketplace is a feature for bank. You don't need to stress yourself. No jargon. 10 minutes you are done.
You don't have to be staying on the line.
Yeah, and the good thing is you have your dev environment, you have your prod environment. You get to play on your dev environment to understand how it works. Then you have your prod where your live data, please don't go and try it there. Or if you want to try it to my account. God bless you.
So Finlake is API first. So for people that don't understand what API means, what is API?
What's API? You know, there's one saying they always say that Baba God make my API jammy.
Okay. Yes. Is that what API means?
That's what API is. API.
Baba God.
API. That, okay. So
please be serious, I beg.
So API is actually, they call it application
programming interface.
Okay, interface. Okay, I thought it was another thing. So I'm correct. So that's a lot of jargon, right? It's a lot of jargon. Application, program, interface. If we look at that, does it make sense?
It does.
It does.
For non-technical, it doesn't.
It does not, because I'm hearing application, program, interface. It sounds like an event, actually. Which date do they do the event? Is it organized by Google?
Good.
So now, application program interface. Not to start explaining too much of things. So application program interface is just more like, let me give you something. It's just like, I'm married. It is your choice to believe or not. But my father and my mother, they have already developed more feelings for my wife than I do. Meaning, I'm in trouble.
Huh? I don't understand though.
You understand?
Do you guys understand what Malik is saying?
Because if I should offend that my wife, I'm in trouble. Because she will call my mother and my mother will not care if she's at fault or she's not at fault.
Okay.
So now, my wife wants to get to me. But what's happening? She's like, if I should tell Malik this thing or this thing. The next thing she'll go is what? She'll go and meet my mother. She'll go and meet my mother and tell my mother that, please tell Malik, mommy, please tell Malik, I need like 5 million from him. But he said no, he wants to buy one laptop like that. Now, what my mother will do is my mother will now call me and tell me, I don't like what you are doing for my daughter, please. What happened there? My mother became a bridge of communication to me. So when we talk about API, API is more of like a bridge that connects application. You don't need any more word. So it's just a bridge that connects application.
Okay. All right. So, apart from the whole not waiting in line and unexpected transportation costs, what customer experience improvements can banks expect when they adopt Finlake?
Come on, I lost for deal. Come
Apart
back
from
again.
waiting in line and Uber and all those things, what's like are the improvements?
Apart from what?
Apart from going to the bank to wait,
Eh.
what improvements can banks expect when they adopt Finlake?
When apart from transportation, this blah blah blue. What? That's a good one. So
You should.
you shall no, you just want
You're
to get
shady.
you want to get the whole secret. I don't know.
You're so shady.
Why don't you
I
just
see
open
you.
a bank and know? They say you learn better from what? From experience. You experience it and you come
And
back
but
and
like
tell.
banks that want to adopt Finlake, they need to know what
They should go to
exactly.
finlake.tech too and download and experience it. Then they can come and meet me and tell me their experience.
Okay.
So before you go, Sha, I'll give you a tip of it. So one is one of the things is there are services on Finlake that has been used and been confirmed
Okay.
by other financial service, and this puts Finlake at the edge to be able to tell you, okay, this that would take you 30 days to come live, we can make it shorter for you. We are not
Okay.
saying there won't be gap, but we are telling you we'll make it shorter. And when I mean shorter, more than half of what you used to go live as a bank as of today. So let's look at it from it. You want to go live as a bank today. Number one is you need to gather your team. You build and you build. During the build process, something crash. You have to go back, make calls and all. Ordinary connecting to a switch at times can take some bank 2 months. We have seen where some bank can't actually do operation because of switch problem. So now, because of what we've done on Finlake, now we are not saying with Finlake you don't need technical person. You still need someone technical inclined. You get. So, but now the person that is technical does not really need to know how to write code. You get. So Finlake puts you there faster. One.
Sorry to cut you. You said something about the person that is technical does not need to write code, so you don't need to have the knowledge of
you
code.
don't need to have the background of, you just need to have the background of filling form.
Okay.
Yes. Shikina. You know how to fill form, Abi?
Shikina. Yes, no.
And
What do you
I
mean?
know
What
that
do you mean? Tell say Malik is shady. Are you shady person?
I not tell you. I not tell you to sing for me. At the end of the day, it's Shikina. Don't
Okay.
worry, God will forgive you.
As I was saying, so which Finlake feature tends to surprise clients the most?
The most. Hey, you need to see the joy of customers when they see mobility. You know, most bank, their biggest problem is mobile app. It's not even at times, it's not USSD again. All of them is, we want our mobile app. We want, no matter what you give them, it's always like this. Hello Malik, we've not seen our mobile app. What's happening? I'll say, sir, why have you not used Finlake? Please, I cannot be writing your code again for mobile app. Just use Finlake. So the thing is, most clients have problem when it comes to launching mobile app. And do you know why I'll mention mobile app is? Mobile app is not something that deals with the bank internal usage. Is something that is based on the customer.
Okay.
So what's the essence of you having in this digital world? You have an institution where your customer will always have to walk in to meet you. It is frustrating. So the mobility is one of those features that, you know, when you see that guy now, you like, I have a crush on that guy. But as woman, they know they agree. You get. So that's just it. So mobility is one very big drive in Finlake. I'm not even capping. You can see, I know they wear cap.
Please. Okay, so closing question. Before we even get this, if
Closing question
can
without
a
a prayer.
small microfinance institution benefit from Finlake just as much as a large commercial bank?
These are the people that spoil Nigeria. What is the meaning of small?
All these small microfinance, all these ones.
They
are
already
just
call
starting
something
up.
micro. You are still saying small. Eh? You are just you're a wicked person.
You know what I meant.
No,
You know what I meant.
I will never know what you meant. Is your type that will see me and tell me, short man. Like, let's go stay. Don't worry, I'm not leaving your show. Don't worry. I will stay and answer your question.
Oh my god.
So the thing is, in Finlake, we don't care about what's it called? Whether you are micro, nano, or which other word again do we have? Okay. So the thing is, Finlake is actually built to. It was built with the intention of every financial institution,
Okay.
regardless of your size. And I know there's something I've been wishing to ask you. Every Nigeria will ask. You never even ask me, Finlake, is it free or is it?
No, and now that's the closing. Like getting there. Calm down. Well, you've already gotten there.
You know,
so
I'm a
it's
typical
Finlake
Nigeria
free.
because that's what they will ask me.
It's Finlake free.
What do Nigeria love?
Free things.
Nigeria love what? Free things. So please come and rob me. I'm doing promo. So Finlake is actually, for now, there's no billing on Finlake. There's
Yeah.
no billing on Finlake. And even if at all, I know you people say, when will you guys start billing now? I know Nigeria, by the time you start billing now, you start what? You start collecting like, how much will you start charging us when you start billing? So please. So on Finlake, even if we start billing, we don't want a situation where you are paying for things you won't use,
Okay.
or the capacity you are not using up to that. You know, you have seen some other platform where you might be paying like 1 million and you even realize what you are doing does not, but because you don't have a choice. So what Finlake has done is we call it PAYG, not
Pay as you go.
Paga. Yeah, on point. So Finlake is a pay as you go. So you are only paying for what you use. You are not giving us any upfront payments. So it's a pay as you go platform. If at all, when we start billing, it is free. So rob
For
me.
now.
Yeah.
So
Exactly.
do you have to be using AWS for you to use Finlake?
Good. Do with AWS. Okay. That's Amazon Web Service. Who is this? This girl is talented. Are you a techie?
Can you just answer the question?
Can I just answer the question?
Answer, Joe.
Why do you want to know my secret? So yes, for Finlake, as of today, you are required to have an AWS account, and
Okay.
the reason why we've done this is for data isolation. So as someone that operates in the finance environment, you should be conscious of where your data sits and the kind of access you have. And other vendors most banks use today, that's why you see when you want to migrate to another platform, you start finding it difficult. We call that a locked-in feature, where the vendor you are dealing with has already put you in a situation where you can't move out of their platform today. So on Finlake today, one is Finlake does not know about your database.
Okay.
You have your environment to yourself. The only thing we are doing on Finlake is we are giving you that service. So the AWS account you have is to help you hold your data. So your data is always sitting with you 24/7. You are not sharing it with another part, not even with Finlake as the provider. But trust me, if there is help in setting up that, there is no cost for it as well. Setting up is free.
Okay. Thank you so much, Malik. Let me not stress you. You guys should go
What
to
did you say?
Finlake.
What did you say?
You guys should go to www.finlake.tech and learn more from what Malik has been saying. Yeah, I said bye bye today. And don't forget to subscribe.
I'm not
and
going to
like
say
our
bye bye.
videos.
It's until you tell me you've downloaded Finlake. Or you are
Download
using
Finlake today, okay?
Ah.
Bye, guys. Thank you so much for joining us on this episode. Bye.